Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing interview. Today I'm checking out the Bob and Brad Real Massager. This is a cordless heated back massager, like a belt for back pain. It's got the red light therapy, it's got the heat, it's got a massage, it's cordless also. So one thing nice about, I've never actually seen like a cordless like heating pad before. So most heating pads are kind of tied to one place, but with this, that's not the case. So pretty sweet. I like this guy. It combines the massaging with the heat with the red light therapy. We have here instruction manual. We got a charging cable, USB-C to USB-A, and then we have check that out. It does have a little extender if you need a little extra distance around there. Oh, wow. Okay, so here we have our red lights there. Have a little extra, this whole area is like able to be attached to. So this, you can add a little extra support on that with this. That is cool. Look at the material on this. All around, it's got this kind of like nice, soft, like padded material on this side. It's almost like a little blanket there. And then on the inside, we have this like, it's like almost like a neoprene type material. So very cool. Liking this. Here's our battery pack on the side. It's our little, might need to charge this before we go, but let's see if I can. Okay, we're at 2 bars right now. And we have the massage, cool, 3, 4 different massages, levels of intensity. And then we have the temperature, 50, 55, 40, 50, 45, 50, and 55 Celsius for the heat range. I wonder if I can change that to Fahrenheit. Okay, and then we have, oops, sorry. And then we have the red light therapy. Check that out, that's cool. Oops, I keep hitting the 37. So 4 different intensities of that, 4 different intensities for the massage, and 4 different temperatures. Okay, we got little zippers here too. So I wanna say that this can probably, does this unzip or not? Looks like it might not unzip. I'm not sure. Sounds like it has like little zippers here. If you would like to attempt to unzip it. Anyways, not sure, but maybe that comes off of there. I want to try this on real quick, I'm really excited to like kind of feel the, so this one goes over here, this one goes over the top, and then we can kind of tighten that down. Oh, that's nice and snug. So that's like a nice, like a back support there. Oops, I think I might have put it down upside down. Let's try this again. There we go. Help if you put it on right, I guess, so I can see where my things are there. All right, that's snug on, and then I can turn this on here. Let's go 50. I'm gonna go the massage at 2, and the red light therapy. Oh man, that heat kicked in right away. This is oh wow. That is nice. So I can see if you have like some back pain or something. It's a legit massager on there too. It's got the heat kicking in already. So you got the heat, you got the red light, and you got the massage. Let me do the different massage here. Do a pulsing one there. And then just a steady one. Gotta say, that's actually quite relaxing. The heat kicks in, you're gonna feel it instantaneously. This is super nice. So normal, like I was saying, normal ones, heating pads or back braces heating pads, you're gonna be tied to one place. You're either sitting on the couch, but not everyone can just sit on the couch all day. We got busy lives to lead, you know? So this, you can get up and walk around, just do your thing, and you're still gonna have this back support slash massage slash heat slash infrared healing light. So this is super nice. I'm really impressed with it. I'm gonna let some of my other family members try this out. I think this would be like a great gift idea. I'm gonna go, try this out with some other people, see how they like it, and we'll come back for the final review. But initially, guys, this is actually really nice. Sometimes you get like massage things, like different items maybe, or like, and they're just kind of not very effective as far as like, this one seems like really nice actually. This one's like, actually feels good on my back here. So let's try the other one. So there's one. And it's doing different things at once there too. And crank the heat up a little bit, crank up the infrared. We have the 650 nanometers. What is it exactly? Let me get that right. 660 and 850 for supposed to be optimal for healing slash penetration slash the spectrum that you want that's supposed to be most beneficial. So yeah, guys, this is really nice and warm, just super relaxing. I like all the features on here. The battery pack is right here. Easy to see the buttons, easy to push, and just small and compact. It's lightweight, it's comfortable, it's soft. It's not making a lot of noise either. So yeah, this is really cool. We'll do the heat first, and we'll go to 55. Look at that, instantly. Look how fast that heat is. Heats up right away, and we can also see it's that the whole back portion there is just heating up nicely. So you put this belt on and it's almost instant heat. All right, friends, final thoughts on this Bob and Brad heated back support massaging belt. This thing is just super, it's comfortable, it's convenient. You can, whether you want to just sit on a couch and read a good book, or you need to cook and stuff in your kitchen, or you need to vacuum, you need to be up and around. You can't be just tied to one little spot. This battery, it lasts a long time. I believe up to 5 hours. It just depends on if you're using all the things at once, the red light therapy, the massager, and the heat. But yeah, I watched like a 2-hour movie with this, no problem. It's just great. I like how it does offer some nice back support too. So once you can cinch it up, and then you can tighten these up additionally to give yourself, it feels like a nice, very supportive. I love how it heats up so quickly. I mean, this is so convenient. You just take it on a car, if you're going on a long car ride or anything like that too. What a great idea. My wife loves this thing also. Like, I love the freedom of not being tied down to like normal traditional heating pads and things like that. You're gonna have to plug it in, so you're either gonna have to basically just sit down to enjoy it. Not with this. It's a great product. I mean, yeah, I'm super happy with it, guys. Thanks for watching this review. If you guys want to check it out, I'll link it in the description below. This will make a great gift idea for anyone. Like, everyone in my family loves this thing. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.